Welcome to Durham Parks and Recreation. We are pleased to assist you in creating your ActiveNet account. This step-by-step guide will help ensure a smooth and successful registration process. First, in the address bar at the top of the browser, type dprplaymore.org and press Enter. This will take you to the main page of the Durham Parks and Recreation website. At the top menu, click on Programs and Activities, then scroll down and select Register Online. This will take you to the sign-up page. Click on Create an Account and follow the prompts. You will first be asked to enter your email address. Type your email. Please verify that your email address is accurate before proceeding. Then click Next. You will then be directed to the Personal Information page. Enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. If you are the head of household, click the appropriate box. Next, create your password and confirm it. If you would like to receive the latest news and updates, you may select that option. Click the box to accept the terms of use for Durham Parks and Recreation. You may also click on My Privacy Rights to review the policy. Then, select the final box to accept Active Network's copyright policy. Click Next. On the following page, you will provide additional personal information. Your address is required because Durham Parks and Recreation offers different rates based on residency status within city limits. You will also enter your home, work, and cell phone numbers. If you would like to receive text messages on your cell phone, select the appropriate box. Use the drop-down menu to choose your preferred language. You may also opt in to receive text messages and additional information. Next, provide your race and ethnicity. Then click Create an Account. If you need to create a family account to include children, select Create an Account and add a family member. This will take you to the next page where you can add a new family member. Enter the required information for each member of your household. Once you have completed the form, click Submit. If you need additional assistance, please call us at 919-560-4355 and request support from one of our staff members. If you require help in another language, interpreter services are available through Language Line to ensure clear communication and equitable access to our programs. At Durham Parks and Recreation, we are committed to serving all families in our community. Please do not hesitate to reach out. We are here to help. Thank you for choosing Durham Parks and Recreation.